Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about herbs and spices. They are those tiny ingredients available in our kitchen that bring flavor, color and health benefits to our food. Let's get started. Turmeric, black pepper, cloves, ginger, bay leaves, star anise, cinnamon, mint, rosemary, basil, coriander seeds, paprika, nutmeg, cumin, oregano, parsley, garlic, thyme, poppy seeds, sage, dill, chives, saffron, red chilies, chili flakes, vanilla, caraway seeds, nigella seeds, white mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, sesame seeds, fennel seeds, licorice, Sichuan, carom seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, asafoetida, mace, tamarind, flax seeds, chili powder, green chili, onion powder, lemongrass, curry leaves. And this brings us to the end of our flavorful journey through herbs and spices. Thanks for watching.